So this is just a trial video. I have some sample around 230-40 mm length width. So I have adjusted the buckle 1 and buckle 2, and I have get the final folding 1, 2 and 3 panel, in of which the first panel will be 20 mm. So what you want is uneven zigzag fold. So you can see this is a just sample purpose. I have folded 3 panel like this, in which this is a 20 mm. I can measure it. This is a 20 mm. You can see around this 300 to 32, which is 20 mm. You can see. So this is 20 mm first panel, then second panel and third panel, whatever the length will be, around 60 mm, 90 mm, it will be done. So this type of sample they will get uneven Z fold. You can call uneven zigzag fold. See, all are the uneven fold.